If you start me up, if you start me up, I'll never stop. If you start me up, if you start me up, I'll never stop. I've been running hot, you got me ticking, gonna blow my top. If you start me up, if you start me up, I'll never stop. Make a grown man cry, make a grown man cry, make a grown man cry. Spread out the oil, the gasoline, I walk smooth, right mean. And so on, boys and girls. A little bit of fun for the weekend coming up, okay? Classic song from the Rolling Stones, of course, and Start Me Up, okay? So, if you haven't learnt this already, I thought I'd just throw this one in for those of you who have not played this before. Obviously, meant to be played on electric, a bit crunched up, but, you know, by all means, have a go on your acoustic. So, I'm in, obviously, Keith Richards' normal tuning, which is G open tuning. That's how he gets his sound, okay? So obviously on his guitars normally he does away with the 6th string, he just takes it off, okay, whatever, does without it, but obviously I'm leaving it on for convenience. You just don't play it, you just don't play the bottom E string, okay? So I'm in G open tuning, like I said, and that is needs a couple of tweaks on the tuning, okay? The top E string goes down to D, okay, so you can actually make it sound like, loosen it off until it sounds like your D string, 4th string, okay. So top E string down to D, should sound like that. The 2nd string stays where it is, a B. The 3rd string stays where it is, a G. The 4th string stays where it is, a D. And then the 5th string goes down to G. Again, you can use that 3rd string to tune that up to if you like. So 5th string goes down to G, the A string goes down to G, okay? So either use electronic tuner or you can use your 3rd string to tune it to. And if you've got it all correct, the 5 strings are 5 down, the 5th string downwards are G chord, okay. Now then, the song itself. Right, so what we do to start with is we bar the 5 strings, the first 5 strings, with your first finger on the 5th fret, okay? Nice and clean, yeah? And what we do is we hammer into it like it's a D minor 7th chord. The 2nd finger goes to the 6th fret of the 2nd string, and the 3rd finger goes to the 7th fret of the 4th string, the D string, okay? And it's basically, starts off on the open position with just the bar, and then you add these 2 fingers, okay? Right? So it's down, put your fingers on, up, down, right? And then the 2nd time round, it's a bit longer. It's like, okay? So I'll just do that really slowly. Okay? Slower. Okay, and then we go down to the 3rd fret, barring the first 5 strings with the 1st finger, and you just need 1 finger for this, either your pinky or your 3rd finger going onto the 5th fret of the 4th string, and it's like, it's that typical rocker sound, sort of rock and roll sort of sound. That's right, on, off, yeah? So now you've got this. So you do a couple of those and then you just carry on doing it and the singing comes in, yeah? So it's two on its own. Right, now we sing over it. Start me up, if you start me up, I'll never stop. If you start me up, if you start me up, I'll never stop. Second verse, same. I've been running hot, you got me ticking, gonna blow my top. If you start me up, if you start me up, I'll never stop, never stop. Now we're going to the chorus, and that's just basically the full bar again with the first finger, first 5 strings on the 5th fret, and on the 10th fret, just a single bar, yeah? So it's like, you make a grown man cry, you make a grown man cry, 3 times, you make a grown man cry. So you do that 3 times, yeah? And then you go back to the first riff that you did, but it's like constant. It's like it goes man cry, make a grown man cry, make a grown man cry, spread the yolk. That's that rockabilly type riff again. It's like it goes. It's like the same thing you're doing here. That sort of beat, yeah, like it. Okay, for the first part of that, so it goes hello man cry, hello man cry, you make a man cry, spread out the oil, the gasoline, I walk through ride mean machine. And that last bit is a slide on the 4th and 3rd strings. So you can use, again, you can use your 3rd finger for it. And you just slide that, just those 3rd string and 4th string on the 8th fret, slide it down to the 7th, down to the 5th. Right? Or you can just do the first 2 like that and play the 5th one with your 1st finger. Right? On just the 4th string and the 3rd string. And you do that sort of twice, okay? So it's like right at the beginning of the chorus. You make a grown man cry, you make a grown man cry, you make a grown man cry, spread out the oil, the gasoline, I walk smooth right clean. So it goes, and then you play the first 5 strings on that 5th fret. Right? And then you go into the riff again. Got the idea? Nice and simple.